ATV Cruiser, what's good, yo? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute that I haven't uploaded any reactions, but check me out, folks. I know y'all have missed me. I've missed being on the screen. I've missed uploading on YouTube 100, no cap, but been going through hard times, as many of y'all are aware. For the new folks, welcome, you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button, follow your boy, you know what I'm saying? But man's been through some hard times, so I'm not back on the scene as yet as tough. We gonna manage somehow, some way. Got a lot on my plate at the moment. I'm just knocking one by one, you know what I'm saying? Just like in a boxing ring, just knocking rounds after round till I'm champion. Back on the scene, you know what I'm saying? But today I want to give a big salute to Fidesz 2001. Hit me up in the comment section, baby, and wanted me to check out. Welcome back to artist, legend, RIP, big man like Mota JR, song called Amiga. Now in translation, Amiga means female friend, you feel me? Or let's just say friend, but it's female for saying a friend, you know what I'm saying? Feminine. This song did release like 3 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, on audio. This is an official video. I haven't heard the audio. Let me just put that straight to y'all. With First Do Family Crew, straight in. Zoo. Are we hearing up drill? Hey. I like the intro, the beginning, you know what I'm saying, as it's slightly turned up, faded in from that little microphone, you know what I'm saying. For the folks that don't know, that's unaware, this is in Cape Verdean Creole. Yeah.
Mi giochi bu ex, mi giochi bu next. Esta cioma di messi na mic, ma pa messi scat.
Hey, hear that one? Yo, put it. Verse again. This beat is like one of them deadly beats that you could just chef onto it.
Mi giochi bu ex, mi giochi bu next. Esta cioma di messi na mic, ma pa messi scatini cash.
Okay.
Militanti sima Malcolm X. O tiranossauro tipo T-Rex.
Buzz.
Na Marrakech, com marroquinos de verdade. Quilos de cans à vontade. E rapado na atividade. E que perceba, mas
he came in with impact when he bounced on this freaking first verse. Oh shit, we have to pull it back. I felt that one though. Even the chorus is like, ain't catchy as yet to me, but I just like the transaction. I like the build up, the warm up, you know, the intro. And just the way he flexes with it, it's like there's no space, it's just like there's a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? It's entertaining. And yes, this is coffee in here, you feel me? For some folks that be wondering, this cup going up, what if I one day blow on the scene, I'ma bring this cup everywhere I go to, just saying.
Mi giochi bu ex, mi giochi bu next. Esta cioma di messi na mic, ma pa messi scatini cash. Militanti sima Malcolm X. O tiranossauro tipo T-Rex. Muçulmana lá na Marrakech, com marroquinos de verdade. Quilos de cans à vontade. E rapado na atividade. E que perceba, mas cobado. Canto pergunta, esse lama puto já tinha X de corpo na cabe. Fela, na regra e na humildade. E assim que se não está a fazer. E shot está. Só que o barulho tá dabo merda. A corda deixa se tropa sozinho. Na meio de merda, tá legal. Então não tá leva nos dois na focinha. Mas hoje então olha teu desco, boca mas sem atitude. Cai na viola, coca dome, fazer merda boa assunto. Minha vida é série de Netflix, baseado nas cenas que não tá vive. Pensado uma bobo está na Matrix, então corre de bala se burro assim.
I like the effects in this video, it's looking dope, bro. And this scene with this, you know what I'm saying, multiplayer type-ish, that looks dope, man. Look hard. I love the nature scene side of shit. Reminds me when I'm back home, blood. Love it.
Cuidado pra morrer, tudo alguém já conseguiu vida. Amiga, vou fazer de sura, você já pega. Rainha na da calote, na chupa virote de...
For me, so far, this song is not really most about the chorus, cause I ain't like catchy, but it's the verses, bro, just stands out more.
Fica parado, botem que tá dão. Um doce pisado,
Second verse.
Rapaz tá fudido pra modas que tá aguenta com mina drill. Dentro São Paulo, no meio Brasil. Cunha troca.
Did he just put like some Moroccan type beat flavored within mixed with his drill, bro? I mean, what? Hey, this one again. It is a song. How did that transaction go? I don't know, baby, but yo, let's put it back and rewind and come again.
Modas que tá aguenta com mina drill. Dentro São Paulo, no meio Brasil. Cunha troca. Rapaz tá lento, cima caracol. Que não tô com gana de ser pescador, mas na hora de pesca que aqui se anzol. Morde que bobo que pesca se o barco que tem farol. A minha é de tempos de barracada, uma cama quentinha que tinha lençol. Essa canta bonito, se marra chinol. De maneira que tu
This beat, it's just the wong. What is that? Well, let me hear it. That's not piano.
Uma cama quentinha que tinha lençol. Essa canta bonito, se marra chinol. De maneira que tu usa esta gosta e o próximo som é tu espanhol. Larga mais que pega na futebol.
Can he actually sing in Spanish? That would be tough if he did. Let me pull it back, bro. We need to hear this one in there.
Uma cama quentinha que tinha lençol. Essa canta bonito, se marra chinol. De maneira que tu usa esta gosta e
Big
o
up the beat
próximo som é
producer.
tu espanhol.
Yo, I'm flopping in my words. What am I saying? Big up to the beat maker on this one, blood.
Cama quentinha que tinha lençol. Essa canta bonito, se marra chinol. De maneira que tu usa esta gosta e o próximo som é tu espanhol. Larga mais que pega na futebol. Larga se rock e pega sumol. Enca tudo que tem em vida. Pra comer cada dia sem moja só. Amiga, escuta da pra tua vida.
Rock with it. Hey, little dance there. Felt that. Bye.
Vou fazer de sura, gosto de pega. Rainha na da calote, na chupa virote de Montenegro. Amiga, aqui escuta da pra tua vida. Cuidado pra morrer, tudo alguém já conseguiu vida. Amiga, vou fazer de sura, gosto de pega. Rainha na da calote, na chupa virote de Montenegro.
You know, coming towards the end, this last chorus part, I felt it even more. I think I catch on to the vibe after. Yo, shit. I think we got hit one more time, blood. Hey, the verses really stuck out for me. And like, I don't know, like, Amiga, like, Russ. Imagine if he did survive what happened. I would love to hear the diss or the music he would put out there. Just expressing his feelings and what he went through. Just gunning it, bro. He would have come back mean, blood. Still a legend. Legend never dies. Got out. Yo, top dog. You know what I'm saying? Mota GR, blood, fire, combo. Larga what? Siroki go. Did he say Simon?
Larga mais que pega na futebol. Larga se rock e pega sumol. Tudo que tem em vida. Dorme cada dia sem moja só. Amiga, vai que cuida da pra tua vida. Cuidado pra morrer, tudo alguém já conseguiu.
Cheese. Chef, no cap, yo. Cheese.
Amiga, aqui cuida da pra tua vida. Cuidado pra morrer, tudo alguém já conseguiu vida. Amiga, vou fazer de sura, gosto de aspiga. Rainha na da calote, na chupa virote de Montenegro.
Jeez, banger. I ain't gonna cap. That one hit me off the blood. Why? Slow effect, you know what I'm saying? I did catch on to this song. I mean, I was more about the verses, but the chorus caught up to me at the end. Maybe it was a build up of, you know what I'm saying, so much going on that I slightly started after catching the vibe. Yo, but the bars though, man, that was something different, man. He actually came hard on this. He took the beat away, and that beat was yo. Family crew, hopefully y'all stick with your boy, you know what I'm saying, follow your boy on Instagram, and I'm gonna see your beautiful people on another day where we can be back on the scene tough as we used to be regularly. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I'm flopping words. It's been a minute. One love. God bless. Yo.